Over the years, we've had a wide variety of requests to modify how the order number works in MoversSuite. Complaints include users booking orders for the wrong branch or move type, users forgetting to select the van line when creating a new order, users entering the incorrect order number, and requests to allow a user to change the order number. And the most pressing of these requests is the issue of reused order numbers in MoversSuite, which are caused by a van line recycling or reusing order numbers. This causes a lot of frustration for users trying to locate an order associated to a van line. To correct these orders today, users must cancel the order and then manually re-enter it. As you can imagine, this is problematic and costly. Since we cannot change the van line, we need to change MoversSuite to better handle reused order numbers. Traditionally, the idea of an order number existing more than once in our system has meant problems, and we have gone to great lengths to make sure that it couldn't happen. That said, we have decided that we need to be more flexible and are making changes to allow for reused van line order numbers, which means we need to lessen the significance of the order number in our system in such a way that we can handle multiple order records with the same order number. To do this, we are proposing multiple changes, including adding a new unique number to the order. We are calling this the record ID. Users can unlink an order from the van line interface. Users can create order records with the same order number. Users can change an existing order number. Now, let's talk about these in detail. The record ID is a new field on the order record and is always unique. We've updated the information bar to show the record ID. In this example, we have a record ID of 32546 under our shipper, Joseph Eckert. The record ID provides a unique number for each of your orders and is a single number used to relate all order information, including documents and communications. Unlike the order number, the record ID will never be reused. The record ID is assigned as soon as you can create a lead or new order and is an internal identifier that can be used for the life of the order. No more tracking different numbers that change as a record progresses from a lead through an estimate to an order. Your work ticket numbers, invoice numbers, and document numbers will all be children of the record ID. Knowing how important the order number is to you, we still display it prominently within the application. If your order is for a military move, you will see a GBL number in the info bar as well. To make this change even more powerful, an improved search mechanism takes what you enter in a single field and searches for it across several identifiers, including the record ID, order number, GBL, purchase order number, or estimate number. Now that we can have multiple order records with the same order number, we want to point out that only one of these orders can be recognized by the van line interface at a time. How does this work? Well, we provide new functionality that allows administrators to link and unlink orders with the van line interface. To do this, users create a list of orders in the admin tool using key move data, such as the order number, shipper name, and move dates, and then choose how the order or orders should be linked. Once a list is generated, simply press Save and the order links are updated. In this example, all orders delivered prior to a specific load date will link to Unigroup. You could easily unlink or link all orders in a certain date range if desired. There's also an export option allowing you to view the list of orders through a spreadsheet prior to clicking Save and making the changes. Of note, new orders automatically link to a van line and, when an order is unlinked, the order is considered hidden from the van line interface, which frees up the order number to be used or reused elsewhere. An unlinked order will no longer be updated via van line downloads. Also, an unlinked order still retains their original order number, so there is no impact on your storage billing records. Users can readily identify an order in MoversSuite that is linked or unlinked to a van line interface by looking at the new link icon next to the shipper name. Hover over the icon to see details about the connection. There are many benefits to the approach we took in solving the order number issues this way. The record ID provides a consistent identifier across all records starting from the very first moment a record is entered. You are able to change the branch or move type without having to cancel an order and create a new one. You are able to change the order number without creating a new MoversSuite order. And you'll avoid the trouble caused by reused van line order numbers. Knowing the significance of allowing the order number to change, we felt it imperative to provide a way of monitoring the changes. Expanding on this thought, we came up with a way of tracking changes affecting the order through the new Order History screen. Opening this screen through the Tools menu allows you to see what transpired on the order and what person or process performed the change. A filter at the top allows you to quickly scan the list, or you can use the data grid functions, such as sorting and filtering, to get you the information you need quickly. We understand that this is a big change, but we believe a solution of this magnitude is necessary to address long-term concerns about order organization.